XHRC500RC drilling rig is a new, efficient, environmentally friendly, multifunctional crawler drilling rig. It uses double-wall drill pipes, mainly used for sampling and analysis in geological exploration departments. This drilling rig can use compressed air reverse circulation down the hole drilling in various strata. The drilling rig's drilling rig lifting, drilling rig compensation, drilling rod loading and unloading, rotation and feeding, outriggers, winches, walking, and other actions are all realized by the hydraulic system, which greatly reduces the labor intensity and improves the construction efficiency and engineering quality.